ask me, bro, TayReese, how do you know that the zero impressions method you just posted on the channel work? Because if we come here and look at this, we see that it helped right here. So I didn't just now, bro. When I first posted the long form video, I didn't have a lot of impressions. And being I just used that method right here for the first hour, and I went from having 900 to 1.4K. So it helped out a bit. So that's how you know it's helping. So use the method wisely. It works for any niche, by the way. All you just do is create a brand channel, and then you like your video, you view it, and then, or you can either search in your title and search, and I'll give it an impression too. And being that we get that impression, you want to have more impression than views. So if you come over there and you want to make sure your thing has traffic source, YouTube is recommending this. You want to make sure it's like this, because you know that YouTube is recommending this video. So that's why you want to have that. So the method is gonna work. It's gonna work for people who want to use it, bro. Use it wisely, bro. It's gonna work. It's gonna help me. You can see that. Oh, is it getting recommended? Is it working? Was your method real? Yes. You wanna know why? Because let's go to here. Let's minimize this tab right here. Make this little. All right, so we minimize this tab. All right, so we minimize this tab. We wanna do a Control Plus and zoom in. All right, right. So we go over here. We see 91.9% of our content is being recommended on the homepage, watch page. Watch page is based like this, or the homepage, or under subscriptions. What I mean under subscriptions, I mean like over here. Like your video is probably being showed over here, or showing on people's watch page. And watch page could simply be this. This could be the watch page or the homepage. So that's what YouTube means by this. But yeah, that's all I want y'all to understand. And I don't want y'all to feel like, oh, I'm by the gurus or nah. And the watch page could be like this right here. Look, you know when the video end, and your watch page right here. So that's gonna be what up next or whatever you see up next right here. That's gonna be where the video is showing at. So that's what YouTube means about that. So we go to here, we go to propagation, we go to up next. I literally just found that out just now. We go to up next. Your video shows right here for up next. Up next, so it helps out a lot. So yeah. But all them fake course sellers out there, bro, they're mad. They are mad a lot because of my streams. They see that I'm on, and they see like I got the type of mess. I'm not retarded. I'm good at what I do. You can't outsmart me, bro. You sit there and you lie in your seat. I got people that watch my stream for hours. I'm not like none of them fake gurus out there. That's why I get a lot of love for what I do. Yeah, to be honest, bro, you got hundreds of hours source on your YouTube channels for everyone to learn from for free. With you, especially sharing broken niches, like some fake gurus would be charging thousands per month for all this info you're giving out for free. Facts. Gurus would be charging y'all thousands monthly for the info I'm giving out for free.